you don't use more hashtags. Don't try to stuff in the first comment and all those things. भाई ने सब कुछ कर लिया है. Hey guys, welcome to another episode, and today I'm going to be answering the questions which yesterday you guys had posted over here on this particular post. So yesterday I had shared this: does using Instagram hashtags mean more engagement? And today I thought, let me just share another tip from that itself. All right, so a lot of people had just commented right over here that so eight people have commented over here. So let me just go back. The reason why I'm doing this kind of Q&A video is because right now on Tag Mango, there is no feature like I can comment on this directly. What I have to do is I have to go on top and then I have to write @ let's say Santosh, and still that is not a tag. All right, it's like you have to come over here, and if you by all chance you see this, then only you'll come to know. So there is no that kind of feature right now on Tag Mango. I hope that it comes soon. So right now I'm doing this. So I'm going to answer all these questions in this. So Harsha says, at the beginning, I used to keep all 30 hashtags, and recently I reduced it to 10 to 15 relevant hashtags. From I will focus on organic. Thank you for the golden advice, Bea. All right. 10 to 15 relevant is also not required, I would say. I'll come on that point. Then Nikhil says, but should we use it in the initial days? Yes, Nikhil. How? I'll let you know in a while. Subrajit says, sir, when I post something on Instagram using hashtag, I get maximum exposure to people, but without hashtags, I'm not getting reach. Subrajit, I'll come on that point as well. Path says around 20 hashtags. Jishan says 25. Payal says, as I have less followers on Instagram, so using many hashtags work as it increase reach of my post drastically. So I try and use more 20 hashtags in my post. Okay, fine, Payal, I'll just let you know on that as well. And Santosh says 30, bro. Now, first of all, let me just come on this page. Right, so I'll open up Instagram and I will share something. Right, I'll share something from Digital Pratik, and this is my old account. And let's go if I'm using, yeah, there you go. Now see, this particular thing is an old account of mine. All right, the latest post on this particular one was being posted on May 2017. Yeah, May 22nd, 2017. So this is like a 3-year-old post. And look at this, in 2017, I was using 30 hashtags. I used to save all of them. I used to do hell lot of things like digital marketing conference, digital marketing consultant, digital marketing manager. I have done all such kind of niche hashtags as well. Marketing guru, marketing 101, marketing. So I have gone through iPhone marketing. Why? Because I had everything regarding iPhone, and I used to do a lot of things. And with respect to iPhone, I had an academy as well with respect to iPhone marketing school. Plenty of things. But what used to happen is, check this out, very cute. Now, what is so cute about this post? You can clearly see this is a bot comment. Then, if you see this, brilliant, this is also a bot comment. All right, this all are bot comments. Then Pratik Singh, Quanto Tempo M, like bot comment. Once again, a bot comment. That's awesome. Keep it up and stay connected, Digital Pratik. So maybe this might be, still not sure, but maybe this might be a real comment. Username change kar lo caption mein. So this is definitely somebody who is, maybe I don't know, somebody. All right, but check this out. Like the username was iPhonepreneur. All right, follow me iPhonepreneur and turn on notification. I didn't have any caption. I used to just, even my mindset was, okay, fine, how can I get more reach? But reach is defined by various different things. When you are saying on this, all right, let's go back on Tag Mango account. Let's go back, and let's see right over here. Where is it? 30. When you are seeing over here, as I have less followers on Instagram, so many hashtags, what it increases reach. What do you mean by reach? Your reach is probably, basically, maybe you are trying to show it to many people randomly, which is what I was doing, and then you are expecting somebody to like. If your objective is to just actually make money and such kind of things, building a real business, then these kind of activities won't help you now in 2020. All right. So try to use relevant hashtags. Meaning, if you are, let's suppose, and I'll tell you with respect to every question over here, right? Even if you are new, how to use them. So let's go back to Instagram. Oops. Instagram. And let's try and search. All right. So whoa. The screen went off. Let's say we'll go to this and let's search for Instagram, and I'll show it to you right over here. If I now search, let's say, if I want clients with respect to what? With respect to with respect to sneakers. So I'll search for sneakers first. All right. And then I'll try to search for hashtag. Obviously on mobile, it would be a different, you can tap on hashtag, right? On desktop, you cannot. So let's suppose if I go into sneakers addict. All right, we'll go into sneakers addict and look at this. There are plenty of people over here. So maybe let's say you are a business, you're a brand who wants to invest in influencer marketing campaign. So this is where you can go and check this out. Who is this lady? All right, Isabella Erickson. She's also random. I mean, look at this. She's using Air Force One, Air Force One low. Why? Why? Is there anything with respect to Air Force in this? No. She's just trying to use random hashtags through some software which is picking up 30 random hashtags with more reach. Nothing will happen good. All right. But let's say 21 hours she's posting this, and let's go to her profile. She's not having that much of a follower, but she might be helpful to you. You can just reach out to her in DMs and you can say that I have a sneaker company. You can just post it. We'll just ship it to you for free. Maybe you can crack a deal over here for your influencer marketing campaign. One way, let's say you are trying to reach out for clients with respect to that, then you can go ahead and go back, and then you can see if you will have to search for something else in this case. So let's say we'll go for sneakers, and let's go down for hashtags. Sneakers shouts, sneakers for sale. Let's say sneakers for sale. Now this might be a hashtag used by people who might be selling sneakers. All right, so let's say we'll go into this one. Hyped done. So this is a company. All right, fine. Let's go back. Let's most recent. These are the shoes. Warrior Classic. Let's go into that store. All right. Blah 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 blah. WhatsApp number is this. You can ping them. Order via WhatsApp. Now go ahead. All right, go ahead and ping them. They only have 133 followers. You can go ahead and just ask them that would they require any Shopify store, or would they need any help in growing their account. All right, let's open up their website over here. Shopee.co. something. They have this website. Now this is a completely different language, I guess. So, but yeah, this is the case. Right? Don't try to randomly, like what you're trying to do is trying to play poker when you are just randomly putting up hashtags here and there. So when you're just getting started as well, please make sure you don't use more hashtags. Don't try to stuff in the first comment and all those things. Bhai ne sab kuch kar liya hai. So I'll go into, let's say, Digital Pratik, and let's say I'll go into another account which is Follow Me on Digital Pratik, which also had iPhonepreneur as an what do you say, the username. If I go into this post, then this is like September 2017 is somewhere when this was the last post. So I'm using these kind of hashtags as well. Then in the first comment as well, 30 hashtags. So I'm telling you guys, this doesn't work that much in the initial stage. Now, if you're a brand new account, I'll show you one account over here. Maybe Shamani Industries. Yep. So this is Raj's company, and they had this website. I don't know whether they have deleted that website or not. Insurance disinfectant, insurance discount disinfectant. disinfectant, insurance disinfectant. Maybe this might be the one. Yep, there you go. All right. Do we have a tag for this? Shamani Industries, Shamani Industries. Let's go down. Let's go down. All right. I'm just trying to show you one thing over here which might be useful. Let's go down. Let's go down. Maybe there might be some tag. I'm just trying to search for the tag. I guess they have deleted that account, but let's try to search for that. I guess it's the same. Earlier, this account had a different username, but I guess now Raj might have changed that to disinfectant spray. We knew Shamani Industries. Yes, so it is now Shamani Industries only, where they have clubbed everything together inside one single company. But look at this. Like, if Shamani Industries is using any post with respect to, let's say, this insurance disinfectant spray, then they are using a couple of them which are relevant to the industry and relevant to the product, right? Obviously, Instagram and Reels is not the relevant. Safe is also very like huge. Like if you are using Safe, right? I'm sure the company which might have used this particular one might not be the right one. They are just okay, fine. So Raj has not done this. It's a repost from Twin Bubbles, and Twin Bubbles had written this particular thing with respect to all these hashtags. So just look at this. Instagood and Safe. It is not making any sense. If I click on Safe, all right, let's go into Safe, and there are 3 million posts like in Safe. What do you think? This hashtag help you? Right. So there is, like, I can go on and 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 on this particular topic, but please, based on my experience, I'm telling you that don't try to use many hashtags, even if you are just getting started, or if you are famous, or if you are somebody who might have grown into a personal brand just like me, maybe a little bit, then you might not require that. And I've shown you in the graph itself yesterday, right, on the post. Hope this video helps and you'll take proper action, and let me know in the comments. Keep putting out on questions. Maybe I'll do these kind of videos more and more for you guys, so that you understand, because you're a close community over here. Make sure you share this with other people. Make sure you share the screenshot and let other people know, so that they come to know what kind of value people are getting. I love you guys. Do share a screenshot. Maybe if you have a swipe up on your Instagram story, share it in the world, digitalpratik. And I'll see you in the next video.